Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SendGrid for email automation in apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the SendGrid website at sendgrid.com.
In the top right corner, click the Sign Up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Get Started button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from SendGrid. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you'll be directed back to the SendGrid dashboard. You may be asked to provide some additional information about your company. Complete the required fields regarding your business details. Select the payment plan that suits your needs. Click Continue to move forward with your selected plan. Enter your payment information as prompted. Review all the details you have entered and ensure accuracy. Submit your payment to finalize the subscription. After successful payment, you will gain access to the SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the Email API tab on the side menu. From there, you can explore various email automation features. Select API keys to create a new API key for your app. Click the Create API Key button. Give your API key a descriptive name for easy reference. Set the permissions for your API key according to your automation needs. Click on Create and View, then copy the API key provided. Store this key securely, as it will be required for integration. Go to your application and enter the API key in the appropriate settings. You can now begin using SendGrid for email automation in your application.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.